If you want to build a website on Hostinger, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process from logging in to publishing your site live. Whether you're making a business website, portfolio, blog, or online store, Hostinger gives you a simple way to get started without needing advanced technical skills. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website building guides. Now let's jump in. First, log into your Hostinger account and open hPanel, which is your main dashboard. Once you're inside, look at the menu on the left and click Websites. This is where Hostinger keeps everything related to your domains and site management. From there, click Add Website to begin the setup process. This starts the path for creating a brand new website on your hosting account. Next, Hostinger will ask you to choose how you want to create your website. You'll usually see a few different options, and the best one depends on your goals. If you want something AI-powered and flexible, Hostinger Horizons lets you build custom websites and web apps, although it may require AI credits. If you want a more advanced and customizable platform, WordPress is a great choice for blogs, larger websites, and online stores. If you're a beginner and want the easiest setup, Hostinger Website Builder is the best option because it gives you an AI-powered drag-and-drop experience. You may also see the option for a custom PHP or HTML website, which is ideal if you already have your own code or want to upload a custom web app. For this tutorial, we'll choose Hostinger Website Builder so we can keep the process simple and beginner-friendly. After choosing your creation method, you'll move on to site generation. At this stage, you have two main ways to continue. The first option is to generate your website using AI. Here, you'll enter your brand name and choose the type of website you want to build, such as a business website, portfolio, online store, or blog. Then write a short description of what your business does or what your website should achieve. Once you're ready, click the up arrow button and Hostinger's AI will create a custom layout, starter content, and suggested images based on your input. If you prefer more control, you can choose a pre-built template instead. This lets you browse a library of professionally designed layouts and pick one that already matches your style. Templates are a great option if you want to start with a visual design and then customize it manually. Either way, you're getting a strong foundation for your new website. Now comes the fun part. Customizing your website with the drag and drop editor. Inside the builder, you can click on elements like text boxes, buttons, image blocks, and contact forms, then drag them into the exact position you want. This makes it very easy to design pages without writing code. You can edit headlines, update body text, change button labels, and replace stock images with your own branding. On the left panel, you'll also find the Pages and Navigation menu. This is where you can add new pages or manage the pages already on your site. For example, you might want an About page, a Contact page, a Services page, or a blog page depending on the structure of your website. Keeping your navigation clear helps visitors move through your site easily and makes the whole experience look much more professional. Don't forget to customize the visual style of your site as well. Adjust your brand colors so the website matches your business identity. Change the typography to make your headings and paragraphs easier to read. And before publishing, always check how your website looks on mobile. A lot of visitors will view your site from their phones, so mobile responsiveness is extremely important. Make sure your layout still looks clean, your text fits properly, and your buttons are easy to tap. Once your content and design are ready, it's time to preview everything. Check your site in both desktop and mobile views so you can catch any spacing issues, alignment problems, or text that needs adjusting. This final review step is really important because it helps make sure your website looks polished before the public sees it. When you're happy with the design, click Go Live in the top right corner to publish your website on the internet. Hostinger will launch your site and make it accessible to visitors. At that point, your website is officially live and you can share it with customers, friends, or your audience. And that's how to build a website on Hostinger from start to finish. You logged in, created a new site, chose your building method, customized it with the editor, and published it live. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.